Whoa.
Come on.
What? I look so freaking stupid.
My flashlight.
I'm going outside. Yeah.
If you want to
How
go
do you
monkey
pick up a
hunting,
flashlight?
come here.
You
From Pink.
stupid monkey.
Well, I don't think that's
Thanks.
that shit's angry.
I'm done, bro. I'm done. Go away. Go away. You've got to be kidding me. I'm over here just trying to get a flashlight, bro. I'm broke.
Dude. I heard someone say he has a name, dude.
Red, do you copy? Red, do you copy? Who's coming?
Yo, he's the guy who stole the crowbar. Run. The name.
Oh, roger that. We have a guy with a crowbar. Oh. We have a guy with a crowbar. Oh. We have a guy with a We have a guy with a crowbar. He's after us at a rapid pace. Let's go. Okay. How do we respond?
Okay.
Yo! Ah!
Hey, Blue, can I have that light, please? I just got this game.
What's the iPad do?
I just got this game.
Makes you
X-ray. It's X-ray.
How does? Oh yeah.
I don't know how to pick up stuff.
I don't
How do you
trust
pick
the
it up?
bag, but
Hey.
Oh, I had it. There we go.
cave.
That's a horrible button. Oh, you can just... Okay. How do you turn it on? Oh, there you go.
Don't have a backpack. You basically cannot hold.
Roger that. I found a backpack for some reason. What is that? What is that? Ah! Ah! Bro. I got a question. How about they make using a flashlight easier?
Wait, you just use it.
Attention, lanterna!
Det kostar egentligen. Ja, men det är en free time. Det är som 30 minuter. Du kan spela.
Can I like use this freaking button?
Ja! No!
iPad?
no,
iPad.
you monster monkey! Why'd you blow us up?
There's something in this direction.
I finished for like the.
Bro, that one caught me off guard. No, I didn't get off.
Take your stuff back! Take your stuff back!
Alright, now let's get
Does anyone want this iPad? I don't know how to use it.
Black monkey.
Bro, I'm off job. I'm off job. I'm just watching some Coco Melon. What are you running from?
I'm a wife and a family! I'm a wife and kids!
Alright. Alright, he has no more grenade. Turn off your flashlight. Turn off your flashlight. Someone found us at least.
Turn it off!
Back.
Come on. Come on.
Alright, let's go.
Ah! My big flashlight!
Yeah,
I
I
don't
don't
have my big flashlight. I had to go back for it.
What the?
Alright, when it's
Yeah,
red, don't move at all. You cannot move when it's red.
Mr. Grunt.
Is this red light, green light? Is it good?
Yes.
Orange, wait for me. Orange, wait for me.
Yeah!
Move.
I will. I'm waiting for you right now.
Loser!
Orange. Green.
You move, I dare you. Your skeleton move whenever it's red.
That's where my... Basically not...
Free backpack?
At all. Orange, are you there?
I'm here.
Good. I'm at the entrance of the main.
Let's go, come on.
Red light.
Come on, let's go. I almost died.
Confront that weird light guy.
Let's not go down there because it's actually kind of hard to find where you need to go.
I don't have a flashlight. I don't have anything. I forgot to get some stuff.
I'm about to come back. I just met these people and I thought...
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know where to go. I don't know where to go. Oh, this is red light, green light. Get your flashlight out. And
I don't have a
whenever it
flashlight.
turns green, you can move. It's pretty obvious.
Oh no, I know when to stop.
¿Cómo estás?
I know when to stop, dude. There's a red and green light for me too.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Do not
Move when it turns.
red.
That makes a ton of sense.
¿Cómo estás?
End of the red light, green light thing.
What?
Oh, so you have to cave?
Are you still there?
Oh, wait, that's bright, bro. That's bright.
God damn!
I never thought of virtual.
Bro needs that for one person. Bro has the world's brightest flashlight over here.
Yeah, glad you get glasses.
I should
Come on, get over
buy
here.
that.
Over here.
Where do we go?
Just keep doing this with your flashlight. He'll find you. He'll find
Dude,
that
Flashlight!
flashlight! Dude, why is there a whole gang of people up here? Wait, who's my friend? Who's my friend? Who's my friend? Right here.
Okay. Holy.
That was scary.
Womp womp.
El Bozo? Who just died? You're bad?
Yo,
fresh?
guys, we should go loot his backpack.
What's he got in there?
Where are you? Hurt.
Oh no, my flashlight.
Bro,
What do you have in his backpack?
Ryan, what should I call you?
Ooga booga.
Pink, where are you? Pink!
Wait, are you joining us? Are you joining us, Orange?
Dang, bro. Cake.
Asian white monkey.
Are you joining us? Are you joining us? Are you joining us?
Yeah.
Asian white monkey.
Hey, wait, Orange is joining us, right? You said?
Yep.
Oh, hi, guys. I'm
Join
back.
channel 5 then. Join channel 5. Join channel 5.
How do you join channels?
Basically, you know your joysticks? Press
Yeah.
down on that 5 times while you look at your watch to see if you're on channel 5.
Okay.
Ouch, bro.
Testing.
I'm on channel 5.
we can hear you, we can hear you.
I'm
Alright,
channel 5.
after he turns red, we're gonna turn. After he turns
Asian
red,
white
we're gonna turn over there.
Anyone on channel?
Coco
Alright, guys, come
melon.
on, let's go.
It was all your fault, bro. You got me
killed.
Get
I
better.
have 1,000. I'm gonna keep storing up. But first
I'm
I have
not
to get a
risking
bag.
buying a mega flashlight. Like that costs so much.
Give me my bag back. Oh.
I can't move. I'm so sorry. Orange, but I got your backpack, so. I'm coming back now.
You better give me that backpack back.
We will. Dude, can't you hear us over the radio? Yes, I can. I'm deaf. Wait, where are you guys at? Are you guys
Dinosaur.
Are you guys at red light, green light, or bird? But
I'm
we're
heading-
trying to remember where we're trying to get to. That's where we are right now. Alright, can you go to like the start of that, and I'll be there ready. Just like and backpack. Me and Orange of where that place is.
What's good?
Now, who is this guy?
Ah, I can't see nothing, bro.
Oh, I'm blinded by the lights.
I can't see. I I've been here.
Who's
Here,
back?
Take.
I can't see!
I'll take
Take this. Take this. Take.
My
No,
shit is about
not
to
you.
Stop it.
I don't even know who this guy is. This guy just randomly joined. Here.
I've been
There's
here
nothing in
for
that
a few
freaking
minutes.
backpack, so why are you telling him to get it?
I don't know.
Ah, the light!
All right, guys, let's go. If he comes near you, hands up. Hands up.
No, can you please turn the flashlights off, bro?
My mom says I bright up a room!
Wait, turn the flashlight off.
For a second. See?
Oh!
Still. Just put your arms up.
What the hell?
What you guys take? Why are you guys taking so long?
Put your hands in the air!
Cyan, I'm near the entrance to like the maze type thingy rock monkey thing.
I was raising my hands in the air. What the fuck?
Guys, I have a really... Guys, I almost just... My head, that's about it. You guys really gotta shut up, bro. I almost just died 3 times with you. Nah. Bro, I just died. I had something in my right hand when I had nothing.
I am heading back.
Yo, he's stuck apparently. Apparently, nope, he's not. He no stuck. Stop! Okay, okay.
It's so good. My head is gonna die soon, so...
Yeah, rest in peace. Me.
Yeah, me and you, bro.
Or you can just... Teleporter. You can use the teleporter again, it doesn't matter.
Yellow. No, night.
There's a Wait, there's a teleporter?
Pink, purple, whatever you want. Come here.
Go to channel.
Wait, you guys still on channel?
Our kid?
I'm getting my crap back.
Does anyone know where we are?
Someone just got liberated. Oh, hi, guys.
I think I heard the monster.
Wait, Orange, what channel are you in?
5.
Me too.
I'm also on channel 5.
You think you...
Oh, back up, back up, back up, back up.
Oh!
Tablet, bro! A crowbar? Bro.
Yo, where's my big flashlight at?
Goodbye.